All right, so let's get to the third and final part, discussing our work on perimeter and simplifying expressions, combining like terms, evaluating all that stuff using geometry, right? So number 13, what is the perimeter of the rectangle below? How do we know it's a rectangle below? Well, look at the opposite sides. The top and the bottom are both 3 times x plus 2, and the left and the right are both 5x minus 8. And remember, our definition of a rectangle is the opposite, 2 pairs opposite sides that are equal and 4 right angles in the corners, which we have, right? So we can write that out as 3x plus 2 and 5x minus 8 and 3x plus 2 and 5x minus 8, just like we did here. And I wrote it like this so you can see something. Okay, there's your top and there's your bottom. There's your left and there's your right. That's all one expression. Okay, but I just lined it up so you can see that that we have 2 of this and 2 of this. Now, x plus 2, another way we could look at that is that's the length, right? So we have 2 lengths here, right? A length on top and a length on bottom. And if we think about that other, if we go back here, 2 lengths, right? Top and bottom. That's what this is right here, right? And 2 widths, well, we have 2 of the same on the left and right. Those are our widths. So another way we could write this, guys, is that we have 3 times x plus 2's, right? We have 2 of them. We have 3x plus 2 on top and 3 times x plus 2 on the bottom. So that's the same as 2 times that. Plus, we have 2 times 5x minus 8, right? 1 on this side, 1 on this side. So if we do that, you can see we kind of have like a distribution thing here, right? 2 times 3 times 6. 2 times 3 is 6 times x is 6x, right? And 2 times 3 is 6 times 2 is 12. So this whole ugly looking thing over here becomes 6x plus 12, right? Plus 2 times 5x is 10x, and 2 times 8 with a minus in front of it is minus 16, right? Now we can combine our like terms. We have 6x's and 10x's makes 16x. 12 constants minus 16 constants gives us minus 4. Now we could do that over here too. If you look at it, 3 times x is 3x. Another 3x gives us 6x. And 5 and 5 is 10, so there's 16x right there. Those are all our x's. Now let's look at our numbers. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 2 is another 6, so that's 12. And 12 minus 8 minus 8. So that's 12 minus 16. 12 minus 16 is negative 4. So we know that we simplified it correctly. You can simplify it by writing out your expressions and then simplifying it, or you can look at the drawing and do it that way. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, so it says the perimeter of a quadrilateral below. Okay, what is the perimeter of the quadrilateral below? Okay, so let's take a look at it. We have y, and this time, notice guys, I didn't write it down. I'm just going to use the picture this time. Y, 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 y. Why? Because I said so. No, what do we got? We got 4 y's, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 y's, and we also have some constants. We've got 3 constant, we got a 2 constant, we got a 4 constant, 3 and 2 is 5, and 4 is 9. There's no constant there, so there's our expression, and it's all nice and simplified for us already. 4y plus 9. 4y plus 9 is the simplified expression. How many terms in this expression when we started? Y plus 3 plus y plus y plus 4 plus y plus 2. There's a lot of stuff going on there, but we can simplify it all to just 4y plus 9. Now they asked us to find the perimeter of that if y equals 10 feet. So we know we got 4y plus 9, and now 4y plus 9. We'll just bring it down so you can see it. And what are we going to do with that? We're going to evaluate. So we're going to replace, substitute y with 10. 4 times 10 plus 9. 4 times 10 is 40, plus 9 is 49. And don't forget your units, guys. It's feet. So it would be 49 feet would be our final answer for 15. Let's look at one more and we're done. Find the value of the perimeter of the pentagon below. Now, there's 2 ways we could do this. Obviously, once again, we can look at the drawing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 A's. There we go, 5 A's. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 25 is our constant. Another way we could look at this, guys, and who knows, I may ask you to do it this way on a quiz or a test, is to write this out and then use the distributive property. Well, what do we know? We have a plus 5, and how many a plus 5s do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we could say we have 5 times a plus 5 and use our distributive property to clean it up. So 5 times a is 5a, 5 times 5 is 25, using the distributive property, right? 5 times a plus 5 times 5, 5a plus 25. And that's it. We're done, guys. All right. We'll do some more problems tomorrow. We'll get ready for our test. See you soon.